Hello everyone, I am Akshata of MCOM Final from Manjunath Pai Memorial Government First Grade College Karkada. Now I am going to explain about the concept of functions and scope of International Financial Management. International Financial Management meaning international financial management of finance in an international business environment. It implies doing of trade and making money through the exchange of foreign currency. So here international financial management means it is doing of trade and making money through the exchange of foreign currency. So it is called international financial management. Then, international finance, sometimes known as international macroeconomics, which means section of financial economics that deals with the monetary interactions that occur between two or more countries. Then, functions and scope of international financial management. Basic functions of international financial management. In that first one, acquisition of funds. This function involves generating funds from internal and external sources. Here, acquisition of funds involves both internal as well as external sources. Here, internal source includes sale of stock, sale of fixed asset, retained earnings, debt collection, etc. And external source includes financial institution, loan from banks, preference shares, debentures, public deposits, lease, trade credits, venture capital, hire purchase, and bank overdraft. So, finally, the main effort is to get the funds at the lowest level. Second one, investment decision. It is considered as with deployment of acquired funds in a manner so as to maximize shareholder wealth. So, the main aim is to maximize the wealth of shareholders. And then, other decisions relate to dividend payment, working capital, and capital structure, etc. So, in addition, risk management involves both financing as well as investment decision. So, acquisition of funds and investment decision, these two are the functions of financial management. Then, scope of international financial management. Like any finance function, international finance, the finance function of a multinational firm has two functions, namely treasury and controller. First one, treasury. In treasury, the treasurer is responsible for financial planning, fund acquisition, investment financing, cash management, investment decision, and risk management. Here, the treasurer is responsible for all the activities and he plays a major role. All these activities like fund acquisition, financial planning, cash management, investment decision, risk management, all these are handled in the hands of treasurer. On the other hand, controller deals with the functions related to external reporting, tax planning, tax management, management information system, financial and management accounting, budget planning and control, and account receivable, etc. So here controller plays the major role and all these activities are handled in the hands of controller. So, for maximizing the returns from investment and to minimize the cost of finance, the firm has to take portfolio decision based on analytical skills required for this purpose. So, here for maximizing the return from the investment and to minimize the cost of finance, so the firm has to take portfolio decision and that portfolio decision is based on the analytical skills acquired by him. Then, since the firm has to raise funds from different financial markets of the world, which needs to actively exploit market imperfections and the firm's superior forecasting ability to generate purely financial gain. Here, the firm has to raise funds from different markets of the world. So that it needs to actively exploit market imperfections and the firm's superior forecasting ability to generate pure financial gains. Thank you.